A friend recently asked about their child's persistent cough, which just doesn't seem to get better despite taking medicines. For days on end, that nagging cough has been a constant concern, raising worries and sleepless nights. And yet, despite the array of over-the-counter remedies and prescription medications, the cough remains, as stubborn and relentless as ever. They were hesitant about the thought of hospital visits or injections, so they asked if there's a good solution. Well, it turns out that there is, and it involves an egg, sugar, and salad oil. According to Chinese medicine, this simple concoction can work wonders for a persistent cough. The remedy is easy to prepare. All you need is an egg, a spoonful of sugar, and a spoonful of salad oil. Crack the egg into a small bowl, beat it, and add in your sugar and oil. Steam this mixture in a pot and have the child consume it. The number of eggs you use can vary depending on the child's age. 1 egg for a 2 or 3-year-old, and 2 eggs for an 8 or 10-year-old. Now you might be wondering how a mixture of egg, sugar, and oil can alleviate a cough. Well, it's all about the balancing and nourishing effects these ingredients have on the body, according to Chinese medicine. The sweetness of the sugar is associated with the spleen, while the egg, particularly when steamed, symbolizes a link between the lungs and the spleen. This is due to the white egg white associated with the lungs and the yellow yolk associated with the spleen. The salad oil brings a moisturizing effect beneficial for our lungs. The relationship between the spleen and the lungs is crucial here. In the 5 elements theory of Chinese medicine, the spleen, representing the earth element, can produce the metal element which is associated with the lungs. This mother-son relationship reflects mutual generation. So by nourishing the earth to generate fluids, we're using the power of the spleen and stomach to assist the lungs, enhancing immunity and resistance, and naturally, the cough disappears. However, it's important to remember that diet and temperature also play crucial roles in a child's health. Overeating, particularly rich or heavy foods, can lead to sluggishness or even illness. On the other hand, overheating due to excessive clothing can cause irritability, leading to common ailments like colds, constipation, or sore throats. The child's energy, inherently abundant in yang, requires balance. If these issues arise, consider digestive tablets or pediatric massage, which can guide the flow of qi and blood, enhancing your child's resistance and immunity. This approach offers a completely different perspective on treatment, focusing on prevention rather than cure. However, it's crucial to consult a doctor before implementing any changes to your child's diet, clothing, or introducing herbal medicines. Remember, your child's health is a holistic picture, and every piece of the puzzle counts. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and our team will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.